Are you about to get... What the fuck are you talking about? Who's gonna raid me?
Yo, should we like triple raid somebody?
You want to do a small streamer? You want to do a small streamer? Somebody like at the, you know, someone low on the Call of Duty thing here. Somebody that looks cool. You find interesting. This guy's got a bandana on. That means he's in the zone. You know, he's like Ramboing. Not a bandana. He's got that ninja band thing. You like Rambo.
Well, wait a second. You got a ninja bandana on?
Yeah. Hold on. Yeah, and he's got like a little monster on his shoulder.
Whatever. If you're down with it, whatever. Let's go.
I DM'd.
Oh, don't stop spoiling it, Twitch. Damn it.
Spoiling it?
Damn.
All right, cool. We're gonna rate this dude.
Yeah, just do it.
All right, do with bandana.
Freaking Twitch chat.
I want to see.
Are we doing it now? You ready? 1, 2, 3, like that?
Yeah.
All right. There we go. 1, 2, 3. What?
Let's go.
Just do it.
Do it. I'm doing it. It's going. It's happening.
Thank you for the follow. Stream shall begin. Yo, people, welcome to my Twitch. Hit that follow button. Don't be a bitch.
Fred, what is going on? This shit. What the hell is this, guys? Oh my fucking god, what's going on? What's with my chat? My chat got crazy. Oh my god. Yes. We got so many people on my stream! Hadouken! Yeah! Oh my god! Hadouken! Hadouken! Yeah! We got so many people on my stream! What the hell is going on? Oh my god, you made me move. What the fuck is going on? Oh. My friend.
What is going on, brother? What is going on?
Amazing. Woo! Guys, I don't know what the fuck is going on. My stream got... My friend. Thank you very much for being here, guys. Oh my god, thank you very much. You just witnessed my stream, my intro. Why? Who? What? How did you find me? Thank you very fucking much. This is getting crazy. I think this is the biggest fucking... Oh my god! Who the fuck raided me? I was just bored and I didn't know what to do. It's kind of like morning here. And I got this code for Black Ops. And I'm like, bro, I never played on PlayStation. I'm like, let me try it. And what is wrong with my fucking... Thank you very much, guys. My name is Dinotti, and I'm streaming for 4 years. I've been streaming for 4 years, guys. Oh my god, 4 years, man. And I'm just like... Thank you very much. Thank you very much for the raid. Hadouken! If you think that I'm copying Ninja, I don't copy Ninja, he copies me. I kill Ninja in H1Z1, so he saw my fucking red band. As you can see, I like to play Street Fighter. And Street Fighter you got Hadouken, and he has that red band. Look it. Let's see. I'm scared. Oh my god!
Let's go help the pain.
What is going on?
No, don't.
Dagger! Yes!
Come on, man, you stay.
Oh, we got the nice shot! Oh! Thank you! Oh! Thank you very much, Dagger! We got the fucking fifth! Hadouken! Yes! Yes! Woo! Thank you, man! Thank you for support, guys. I've been this summer broke as fuck. Yeah, you know, my stream is dying. After 4 years, I was like, fuck, man, I'm gonna have to quit. Because, you know, I'm trying every goddamn day, and you know how it is. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. I can't believe what is going on, this. Tiger, thank you very much. Oh my God, guys. Thank you very much for support these biddies. Thank you very much. I just want to say that I know a lot of people of you will not come on my stream tomorrow, but doesn't matter. It feels nice to once have so many people that your chat is running like this. Thank you very much. I just want to say, if you didn't see my Twitch bitch intro, click on that link, guys. Thank you very much for supporting small streamer as I am. English is not even my language. I'm speaking Slovenian language, you know, I'm from Slovenia. Thank you very much for this dono. Oh my God, so many biddies, you're gonna destroy my ass. Thank you for the follows and everything. Where are you from, guys? Oh my God, oh my, I'm gonna start crying. Don't do that shit. Tiger, thank you very much for supporting. Thank you for all that love. You don't know how hard it is to stay focused when your stream is dead like every goddamn day and you're trying hard and believing in yourself, and the miracle fucking happened. You see? This is the miracle. I don't know, guys, what to say, but thank you. Space Junk, Big Juicy, 6i, Thief Snack, Mepsalic Snack, Delicious. Thank you for the follows. And I just want to say that, you know, next Friday I got giveaway. All sub giveaways. You know, I can't get partnership, guys. I can't get partnership after trying so many years, you know. I just can't get those 75 viewers regularly, you know. And, you know, it's sometimes frustrating. But this thing which you're doing right now.
Rip your puppy.
Yeah! Yeah! Let's go! Let's fucking do it! Everybody move your body! Move your body! Let's go, everybody, right? Let's go in the chat! Everybody right in the chat! Forte! Yeah! Go! We gonna party every day! I'm gonna fucking die, guys! I'm gonna die, I can't understand. How can big fucking streamers survive this pressure? Thank you very much, I wanna fuck. I wanna fuck. Listen to me. I can't believe it, how much support. How much support, guys? Where are you from, guys? How can... Good evening. Good evening. There was a morning when Dinotti was alone. Then the big streamers come on Dinotti's stream. They sent him thousands and thousands viewers. Where the sky is full of blue. The boring rain. Thank you. Everybody's as happy as a G by the shine. Thank you for the subscribe, man. Yeah, got a first class ticket on a Twitch. There's a boy can't be. I'm raving. Yeah. Oh my God, what is going on? My stream is dying. Do I really feel the way I feel?
Yo, boys, my name is Demon Boy. I'm Dinotti's right hand. Thank you for all subscribe. Thank you for all goddamn follows and all donuts. Yes. Nogie.
Let's go, boys and girls. Drop the goddamn hey-yo. This is crazy, man. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do, man. I can't fucking stand this pressure. I didn't get the fucking raid for like fucking 2 years, man. Thank you for all love, guys. I see you guys come from all around the world. Thank you very much, guys.